everybody being this morning?
Good.
It's a beautiful morning.
It is.
And I really enjoyed Bomani's birthday. We should have Bomani's birthday every day. Every day your birthday, Bomani. Keep celebrating life. May the ancestors continue to bless you much.
Thank you.
Today is November the 1st, so I hope y'all said goodbye to October yesterday. It's a whole new month, a whole new day, and you're looking radiantly beautiful. I'd like to share a daily thought, and then we're going to take our affirmation, if that's okay with you, okay?
Yes.
I am one with all that is. I am one with all that is. I am one with all that is. This is coming from a unity consciousness. I'm just going to read this and you can marinate in it as I go, okay? Gazing into a pool of water, I see my reflection. I smile back at myself, viewing the uniqueness of my face. I dip my hands into the cool water as the droplets filters through my fingers. I am in awe with how connected I am to my surroundings. I am much more than my reflection. I am one with God and one with all of creation. The majesty of divine creation is evident in my surroundings as well. God created me to be strong. Sadness, illness, and worry have no place in my life. Sadness, illness, and worry have no place in my life. Relying on my divine powers of wisdom, understanding, and love, I align myself with the good in every situation. Every situation. And I am one with all that is, and I am at peace. And this word from scripture is 1 Corinthians 12:13. For in the one Spirit we were all baptized into one body, Jews or Greeks, slaves or free, and we were all made to drink of one Spirit. Bless, bless. Thank you for allowing me to put that forth. Allow your consciousness to catch it wherever it catches it, but it has been offered. And let's turn to our books. Our wonderful books are page 56 for our daily affirmation. Setting the foundation for the journey forward. So we're going to be reading from day 3. And I'm just going to speak the affirmation one time, after which, as we always do, we'll take it 3 times together. And if you don't have your book, you'll catch it after we speak it this one time. Thank you for catching me. Thank you so much. I am the master of my life. Let that marinate in before we speak. I'm going to say it one more time. I am the master of my life. Okay, let's take it. I am the master of my life. I am the master of my life. I am the master of my life. And so it is. Thank you very much. Let's enjoy this beautiful day. Give yourself a hand clap. Ashe, 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 Ashe.